Alive, alive. Crash his head. Sorry, nobody will get that. Maybe like 2 Canadians. Alright, Lugnet's got his safety gear on now. We ready, Lugnet? Ready to do some work? Our dog is literally obsessed with the excavator. Do you want to just try and do all of them at the same time?
Yeah, you could do that.
Yeah. What? Turn it off or lock it. What do you think this is?
A chain gang.
This is so bad right now that I'm gonna try and go to the coffee shop and upload our YouTube videos. I've never driven a bike. I've never driven a car with a bike on the front. It's very strange. Very strange.
You're like a little midget down there. Oh shit. Get it, get it.
You just
We could go lower, lower, it's gonna get heavier. And then you're gonna just prepare to slide them back. Okay, swap them. There you go. Just let me see that.
It's a big maple. Here it comes. Oh, fucking hell. It's really big. You can't see it from here. It's in this bush. I hope I just want him to always get away from it all. Here she comes. Alive? Alive?
I'm alive.
Woo, she was big.
Yeah, that was pretty big.
Alright. This has changed a lot. Look at it grabbing things. Woo! It's grabbing the trees. That we cool. Whatever. There's a good amount of ash that's coming down. The air quality's kind of gone to poop.